Are you tired of hard, dry steak? Well, here's a foolproof way to make the best steaks on a grill, big green egg, or even indoors. Simple method, reverse sear. I'll show you how. What's up, everybody? Today we are reverse searing 2 New York strip steaks. This method cooks the steak evenly first, then finishes it off with a high heat, awesome sear. The result is consistent and repeatable and just so darn delicious. Let's do it. We got 2 good looking strips here from our good friends over at Avon Prime Meats. We're gonna hit it with some of that brisket seasoning from Lane's. We're gonna let it sit for a bit. Then we're gonna throw it on the egg to reverse sear. All right, we've got it up to about 225. Got the steaks in. Place setter, the convector is there as well. We're going indirect heat to about 115, 120. All right, so we hit about 119 on the strips. Took the place setter off. We're gonna put the grate back on. We're gonna get these searing real nice. It's real hot. So again, the reverse sear is great because it cooks nice and even throughout. And then we get that flame going and we bring it home. All right, we didn't need much, about 30 seconds per side. It's looking real good. All right, so we let it rest for about 10 minutes. Now we're gonna slice right in. Nice thin slices. Beautiful cook. You know it's perfectly cooked when you slice right through it with no give. That, my friends, right there is awesome. Beautiful. And this let's eat. That right there. Look at this. Perfectly cooked every single time. It's easier than you think.